Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about exclusive coupons and month-long savings at Dollar General. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your really huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, since this is a month-long video that you guys can come back and reference throughout the entire month of January, I do want to go ahead and remind you all, make sure that you have those notifications turned on, because I do upload tons of videos every single week, almost daily at this point. So whether we are talking about Dollar General, Family Dollar, Walgreens, we may even throw in Walmart every once in a while, you definitely don't want to miss out on all these crazy deals. So make sure before you go, check out right down below this video, right beside my name, you should see a little bell icon. That is the notification button. Click on it and then select all. And that way you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Alright guys, now let's go ahead and talk about some exclusive coupons. Now, as I'm talking, I'm just going to go ahead and let the deals scroll across the screen here. The slides are pretty much self-explanatory. We have a lot of really good coupon matchups, and these are on exclusive coupons. But I always get asked, what is an exclusive coupon and how in the world can I get those on my account? Well, number one, exclusive coupons are just manufacturer coupons. They are just little promotions that Dollar General randomly sends out to different accounts. As far as I can tell, there's really no rhyme or reason as to why certain people get these exclusive coupons and why others do not. So that brings us to the second part of the question, which is how do we get these on our accounts? And unfortunately, it is completely random. There is no link to sign up. There's no way that we can download these coupons to our account. We just have to keep checking back with our Dollar General accounts and hope that some exclusive coupons pop up. So if you guys find any other exclusive coupons on your accounts that you didn't see in this video, please let us know about it down in the comment section below. Now we're going to move on into our month-long savings for the month of January 2024. And in this video, I basically just put together all the coupon matchups that do not expire until the end of January. So you guys can take advantage of these deals all month long. There are a couple of exceptions where I have included some coupon matchups that expire around the 20th, but I figured, hey, that still gives us about 3 weeks to take advantage of those deals. So I wanted to go ahead and include them in this video. And another thing that I did was I went ahead and threw together some quick 5 off $25 scenarios with some of these items. So for instance, here we're taking a look at the Swiffer Wet Jet Floor Mop Starter Kit. These are priced at $25 right on the dot. We have a $10 manufacturer coupon. So if you do this deal during the week, you're going to pay $15. But if you wait until Saturday and throw it in with 5 off $25 coupon, that's going to leave you paying just $10. That's $15 worth of savings. So I think that is a fantastic deal, and I have included more throughout the video. We have some coupon matchups that are as low as 50 cents out of pocket. So you guys watch the video all the way through. And I also want to go ahead and let you all know that I did not include any of the coupon matchups that are glitching right now. So if you are looking for freebies, money makers, super low out of pocket deals, make sure that you go and check out the glitch list video. That's where I put all the glitches into one video so that it's really simple and easy. I go over all the updates for any run deals, run glitches, all of that information, and that video will be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, now here in just a minute, I'm going to turn on a little background music and let you guys check out the rest of these deals. But we have tons of deals in this video, so please watch the video all the way through. It really does help me. It helps support my YouTube channel, so I really do appreciate it when you guys watch the video all the way through, and it helps you. That way you're not missing out on any awesome deals. Alright, so watch the video all the way through. And I also wanted to mention really quick that on some of these coupon matchups, for example, we are about to take a look at the Febreze coupons. We just received a $3.30 off 2 digital coupon on the Febreze products. This coupon does work on the wax melts, the small spaces, and the air effects. Now this coupon does work on other scents other than the ones that I have pictured in this video. So y'all keep that in mind, and like I always highly recommend, you scan every item before you go up to the register to make sure that the digital coupons do attach, and also you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. Alright guys, so we're almost to the end of the video now, so I just wanted to pop back in for a real quick second and remind everybody to turn on your notifications and make sure that they are set to all. Also, once you're done here, you might want to head on over to the community tab. I've been posting tons of deals over there. All you have to do is click on my name right down below this video. That's going to take you to my home page on YouTube. From there, you want to click on community and then just check out all the deals. We've had free pictures. Right now, we have buy one, get one free subs. I've also been posting clearance updates for other stores like Target and Hobby Lobby. So make sure that you head on over there and check out all of those deals. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. But y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned because I have more crazy deals coming at you all very, very soon. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things, subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.